As we talk about the process variations, the variations in a firm product arise from the changes in the component used in the production process. As employees, materials, work methods, and equipment change, so do the production outputs as well. That is the company's production. These variations are called process variations. Although some amount of the process variation is inevitable, too much can result in poor quality and excessive uh, operation processes. We can consider the box filling operation for honey nuggets on a hypothetical cereal maker. Each automated machine fills two 14-ounce boxes per second. Even under proper conditions, slight variations in weight from box to box are normal. Managers, however, want to know how much variations occur. They also want to determine how much is acceptable. Information about such variations can obtain from the process capability, and there is a study on it. So the process capability study at Honey Nuggets, boxes are taken from filling machines and weighed. The results are plotted as compared from weight against the upper lower specification limits, which serves as acceptable quality limits. Both with over 14.2 ounces are considered wasteful giveaway of the company products. Boxes with less than 13.8 ounces are also costly, not only because they have a larger a lot of buyers, but because they are unlawful. Well, the machine as output is acceptable of its boxes violate quality limits. Machine A then is capable of meeting company standard. Machine B and C, however, have problems because neither they perform according to the instructions, because neither the machine notably meets the honey nugget standards. They are not capable unless machine B or C are fixed. The company will continue to suffer from the standards of production of quality. Control charts. Unfortunately, knowing that a process is capable of meeting quality standard is not enough. Managers must still monitor the production process to keep them from going astray. To detect the onset departure from the normal conditions, employees can check production process and plot the results. On an operator might weigh several boxes of cereal to determine the average weight. The average weight is then plotted on the control charts. Well, we can see that quality cost studies. The quality cost studies SPC helps maintain existing capabilities, but in today's competitive environment, the firms must consistently raise quality capabilities. Unfortunately, any improvement in products and the processes means additional cost, and whether for new facilities, equipment training, or other changes. Well, the managers must therefore identify improvements for offering the greater promise. Quality cost studies not only identify the firm's current cost, but also reveal areas with the largest cost saving potential. Quality costs are associated with finding, repairing, and preventing deficiency of the products. All these costs should be analyzed in a quality cost study. Hence, Nugget, for example, must determine the cost of internal failure. These experiments include the cost of the overfilling boxes and the cost of storing out bad boxes incurred during the production and before and bad products leave the plant. For many US manufacturers, internal failures cost an account for 50% of the total cost. Unfortunately, some bad boxes may escape the factory, reach the customer, and generate complaints. These external failures are discovered outside the factory. The cost of correcting them refunds to the customers, transportation costs, and the return of the bad boxes to the factory. Possible lawsuits and factory recalls should also be tabulated in the quality cost study. Quality improvement teams. Many US businesses have adopted quality control teams. They are called QIs. These QI teams are the patronized after the Japanese concept of quality circles. collaborative groups of employees from various works of areas who meet regularly to define, analyze, and solve common production problems.